Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use Find My iPhone feature. So let's start with opening settings, and here we need to tap on Apple account and then select Find My section. Now we need to make sure that this feature is turned on, so go ahead and select Find My iPhone and make sure to toggle on the switchers so they will become green. So you need to activate Find My iPhone, Find My Network, and also send last location, which could be really helpful as well. Then make sure that you can see your device in My Location and that you're enabled to share your location. And now all we have to do is to find My app on the home screen or in App Library. And after opened, on the bottom you will see 4 sections. People, in which you can check location of your friends. Devices, in which you can check all of your devices. Items, in which you can check all of your connected items. And Me, where you can check your location and adjust settings. So here you can click Start Sharing Location, send an invitation, and select for which period of time. For example, share for 1 hour. Then you will share this invitation with a friend, and this friend will be able to see your location. And here you can stop sharing the location. Now in Devices, you can tap on your iPhone, check the address, also check battery level. If you lost it, you can tap to play sound, also get directions how you can get to your phone, and activate lost mode. So lost mode will lock down certain features, and this phone is linked to Apple account so no one else can use it. It will be protected. You can leave a message to be displayed for the person who finds this iPhone, and you will receive a notification when location becomes available. From here, you can also erase everything from your phone and remove it from Find My. You can click on your different device and also choose to play sound, get directions, and remove it from Find My app. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.